This video is brought to you by Skillshare.
Today I'm painting this huge wall behind me at this K-8 school in Miami, Florida. There's one catch though. I'm gonna try and paint this mural with Angelus shoe paint. This stuff is usually used for painting on shoes and leather bags, but I am gonna attempt to do this thing on a mural. Hopefully this works out. Here we go. You ready to paint a mural? Let's go! This is the most Angelus paint I've ever seen in one place. I got a random subscriber here. He's a local Miami artist. He goes by the name Hayes. You ready to paint, bro? Yay! It's called AWOL Mural Festival in Miami, and basically what we're doing is we're taking schools, and muralists are just flocking to the walls on these schools. Hopefully this Angelus shoe paint works out for painting murals.
We're in the middle of Wynwood, baby.
Looking good. What you painting? Is that a snail?
It's gonna be like a big frog.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
That's dope. Are you gonna go here and there?
Here and there.
Is it gonna make one picture?
You're gonna make like one picture, kind of like a scattered little image, you know what I mean?
Cool.
All right, my boom has arrived. It's been a long time since I've used brushes on murals. It's gonna be like taking me back to the beginning of my mural career when I was afraid of the spray can. I'm in the shade right now. I'm in Miami, Florida. Feeling good. Let's go. Let's paint a mural. All right, Hayes, I think we need to tape off this sign and this sign and this sign. I have been informed there's some tape over here. We're on a journey. He was saying that once you get past 5th grade, they don't even have art or PE anymore. Like, they just don't have the funding for it.
It is a beautiful thing that we're getting these colors. It makes it an even more unique school for unique kids.
All right, bro, I'll rock the top. You can rock the bottom. I'll be in the lift.
Cool.
I'll make sure not to run you over.
Please don't. My lady would like me to come home.
All right. All right, we got all these scribbles up on the wall, AKA the doodle grid. Now I'm gonna take my iPad, superimpose my concept art over all these scribbles so that I know where to put my lines. So I think I'm gonna do that now. This is Steph right here. This is a subscriber who's down to paint. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate your help. And this is Lauren. Lauren is a subscriber who's also gonna be helping me out. Mural Squad, baby!
We grabbed some random scrap cans of spray paint to get our sketch up on the wall.
Hayes using the boom lift for the first time. How you feeling up there, bro?
Terrified.
The sketching phase is one of my least favorite parts. It was nice to have helpers. I was also secretly sizing up my helpers' art skills in the background, and everyone did awesome.
We have been sketching with spray paint for the whole day. It's quite the complex mural here, and we're getting close towards the end of day one. And then we're gonna be here bright and early to bust out that Angelus paint and see if we can make something saucy and flavorful with shoe leather paint. You guys ready to hit some of this shoe paint tomorrow?
Oh yeah, that's my thing though.
I'm ready to paint. You already know what it is. First day after the job, what is you talking about? I'm putting the camera down. I'm getting straight to that paint.
Get to him, son. Get to him.
Mango Dream. That's what we like.
I grabbed a couple gallons of bucket paint to cover up that doodle grid in the background and put in a nice background color. For the background, I just picked out a random color I liked, but I had no idea it would match the existing color of the school so well.
Okay, it's time to start officially trying out some of this Angelus paint. I think I'll start with some green. This is the true test. Do they mix well? Do they paint on a wall well? How's the consistency? How's the fluidity? A little bit of green, a little bit of black. Got some really dark green here. Let's try it on the wall. Oh yeah, baby. Oh wow. Oh yeah, baby. We back with the brushes. I haven't painted a brush mural since like my first murals. This is nice. Angelus holding me down. So good. I'm gonna have to stop calling this Angelus leather paint and start calling it Angelus mural paint, because this stuff is working like gangbusters. The squad keeps growing and growing. These amazing fans and subscribers. Lauren, Calicho, Ali on the filmmaking, Sways. Wait, Hayes, my man.
You already know what it is. Patrick Swayze up in here, killing him.
Step number 1, step number 2. Thank you guys so much for helping me.
Here with Senhun and an awesome group of people. I've never done anything like this before. Got awesome energy out here. Senhun himself. Miami.
It's so cool having all these subscribers out here helping me out. They're all like really excited to be painting. A lot of them have never painted a mural before. Just by nature, brushing takes a lot longer. So I have like literally like 6 people here helping me out, and it's really awesome. Alright guys, these subscribers have been working super hard. I have kind of an idea for a little challenge for these guys. Alright you guys, there's a bucket right there. There's some empty spray cans right there. First person to make the can in the bucket gets $100 cash. Who's in?
Say less.
Maybe it should be whoever gets closest. That's a tough shot. Oh! Alright Lauren. Oh, she hit the bucket! Here's the cash just to prove I'm not lying. Steph Curry! Oh, too far. How you feeling? You got a strategy?
Don't do whatever they did.
Yeah. Oh, look at that form. Oh, New York. Oh. Oh, she put the backspin on it. Put it in there. 1000.
So I just came in here, threw it with that Steph Curry from range, picked up them dollars. You know what it is. It's your boy Hayes. I feel like a king right now.
Lost a competition for $100. I can't throw a can. I could have taken the Steph Curry name.
What are we doing with that $100?
I'm gonna buy me like a new.
Yeah, photo.
You better than me. I'd be spending on strippers right now.
It's so cool to have my art on a school and to be able to bring some color and vibrancy and imagination to the day-to-day lives of these awesome kids.
Sorry, this is only just a beat. Gotta keep a carbon in my reach. Keep the calamari up my teeth. Pay me.
The assistants just keep coming in. We got Lonnie on the paints today. Yeah, thank you so much for coming through.
After talking to AWOL Mural Festival, I found out they were basically operating at a loss. I thought maybe I could help. So I reached out to Angelus and said, hey, how about I paint an entire mural using just your shoe paint? Don't sponsor me, don't sponsor the video. Instead, come on and sponsor this awesome festival for a good cause. Angelus immediately said, this is awesome, we love it. We're also gonna send some shoes and some paint and some brushes so you can hold a workshop to teach these kids to customize shoes. So now the festival has some funding, the kids had an amazing workshop, and beautiful murals have been added to this amazing community.
What do you have to say about the day?
So I had to go work, so I couldn't do jack shit, and I spray painted for 5 minutes, and we ran out of paint. My 2 cents.
All right, it's 6 a.m., day 4. This is the last day I have to work on this thing. I am definitely not as far along as I hoped I would be. Painting with brush paint is a much slower process, and I'm starting to get really, really stressed about the time. But hopefully I can just paint like a madman for the next however many hours until I have to return my rental car and jump on this plane. Now it's a race against the clock.
A huge thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators. You can explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in your creativity. They have classes on drawing, painting, illustration. I even saw a couple classes on murals on there. It's curated specifically for learning, meaning there's no ads and they're always launching new premium classes. One class that I think you guys would super enjoy is from my boy Jazza. It's called Mastering Illustration, Sketching, Inking, and Coloring Essentials. There's legitimately so much to explore on Skillshare. So here's the deal. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today.
Licho, what's it like working with 1000s?
I mean, it's an amazing opportunity. For me to be Latin representing Colombia, it's such a glad opportunity. I feel inspired to do this big world, and I feel inspired and glad to be here in Miami.
Day 4 was all about just pushing this mural as far as we could before I had to sadly leave Miami. There was actually a lot of stuff in the concept art that I just had to edit out of the mural on the fly because I was just out of time.
I'm watching all these videos since quarantine, got me like back in my art, and now I'm here painting.
Hey, Hey, tell us something we don't know about you.
I'm a twin. I'm an artist. I think that everybody lives happier and freer lives when they're free to be themselves.
Honestly, I probably could have spent another 2 days minimum on this mural, just shading it a bit more and adding a bit more detail. But when you travel and paint murals, you just gotta do what you can do with the time you're given.
Since everyone else did one of these and I didn't get a chance to do one, I'm gonna do one for you, 10. Seeing all this, how it came from nothing to what it is now is a huge inspiration. I love working with you, bro, and you know, I hope that you keep pushing. Hope we break that 1 million subscribers real soon, yo.
All right, it is late at night. I have done as much as I can do with the time that I am allotted. Me and wifey are flying out at 5 a.m. We gotta get ready to go, but I think I'm done, or as far done as I can be. It's been super awesome. I love Miami. It was just a crazy experience to paint with all of these awesome fans and subscribers and helpers and all the people who came through and did like freaking 50% of this mural. Thank you to these guys so much. You guys definitely made this mural possible. I would not have been able to finish this without their help and all the other people who came through. Thank you guys so much. My boy Ali is coming tomorrow to get some nice, beautiful daytime shots, so you guys will be able to check those out right